Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today we
are fixing the car.
We are going to be changing the air filter on a 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan, and she's my helper today. So what you're going to need is a screwdriver, just a regular flathead screwdriver. You're going to need a socket, come here. You're going to need a 10mm socket, and you're going to need the ratchet, a 3/8 ratchet. That's what we're going to be using. So now, first of all, I just want to tell you where the filter's at. The filter, I thought it was here, right on the top over here. I almost broke this whole thing. And it says remove to serve air filter element below. So I said below, so I thought it was in here. But in reality, it's not in here. It's down here. So you're going to need that, and you're also going to need a 10mm, a 13mm wrench. And the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect. You don't have to do it, but I'm doing it because my daughter's going to be taking all that stuff apart. So I'm going to disconnect the negative battery, the negative cable. I'm going to be disconnecting it. Once I disconnect it, take it out, put it to the side right here. Put it all the way in the bottom right there before it won't come back. And my daughter's going to use the 10mm socket and the wrench and the ratchet, and she's going to be taking those out. Go ahead, mama. First you want to take these two out. Go, baby. Okay. When it gets loose, mama, let me know, okay? So what she's doing, she's taking the 10mm bowl that's in there, because we have to take that first cover out in order to go under. Okay, mama, do the other side now. There you go. Remember, flat. Keep it flat. There you go. This got to be the cleanest mechanic I know. Yeah, baby, you almost got it. How it looks. Let's see. Oh, yeah, you did a good job on this one. Yeah, there you go. You can get it out. Get out. Spin it.
Spin it.
There you go. The other way, mama. There you go. It's out?
Wait.
Good job. Put it right there. There you go. Create an assembly line. Now the other one.
Another one.
There you go. Got it? All right, put it in your assembly line. Good. So you want to use your screwdriver and loosen it up. Okay, mama. Once you take that one off, you also want to take this filler from right here also. So you're going to loosen that up. You could also, there's a filler one under here also. Another screw under here, right here. But I want to take that off because I also want to look at my throttle. So once you do that, you want to pull it here. You want to pull it. Once you pull it there, you're going to pull this. You want to pull it. Once you pull it, you can take the whole thing out and move it to the side. Oh, my throttle looks pretty clean too. Wow. Wow, this man took care of this car. I'm just looking at my throttle, just being nosy. Wow, this man took care of this car. Oh, maybe the inside got to be clean. Now, once you have taken all that out, your filter is right in here. Right in this box right here. And it has, should have just took out the whole battery so you can see what I'm doing. I think it has like 2 clips in the side. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, it has 2 clips right there in the side. You see it? Let me see if you can see it. Okay, my friends, what I did was I set up my flashlight there. If I can show you what we have to remove. And it's this clip right here you have. Let's see if I can show you. Hopefully, this clip here, push it back. This one also in the bottom. There's one in the bottom. Hopefully you can see it. Make sure. And you also push it. And once you push it, all you gotta do is the whole filter come out. But don't pull it because it has like 2 little clips in here, the plastic that goes in the other cover. And you just want to go slowly and you remove it. See, these are the holes I'm talking about right here first. Let me just show you the holes in this air box thing. Now these holes, see these things right here, have some clips right here. When you put it, you put those little things in here. See, 1, 2, and there's a 3 in the top. And the things that I tell you to take out the metal pieces is these things right here. Okay? 1, 2. And there goes the air filter right in there. So I'm going to take it off. All you have to do is just pull it. This one is not that bad, but I'm going to change it. See, it's not that dirty, but it's dirty. All right, Mama, pass me that one. Take it. Okay. So now to put the new one, all you have to do is just make sure that it goes nice and in there. Let me see if I can move the flashlight over here for that light won't be in the way. Okay. So now all you have to do is just, let's look inside, make sure it's not dirty. And it's not dirty. Oh yeah, just got one piece of thing here. What I'm gonna do, just put the filter right in. Okay, make sure you just put it flat right in there. Now the next thing we're gonna do is take this right here. Remember what I told you? Those plastic clips that go in here and the metal that goes around this piece right here. Hold this for a minute, Mama, if I can show them. So the metal piece is gonna go right around here. Click, and then the other one here where my daughter has a finger. Turn it around, Mama. Turn it. And the plastic pieces is gonna go right in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 4. I thought I counted 3 over there. So all you're gonna do is this. You're gonna take it, bring it straight down like this. You're gonna bring it straight down. Okay. Bring it straight down. Make sure you put those clips in there. Okay, let me put the clips in because it's hard to do with one hand, and I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, hopefully you see this. I don't know if you can see the clips in there. The 4 clips, you gotta make sure you put them there. So make sure you put the other clips around it. You go right there, one and one in the bottom. Once you do that, you got to make sure that everything in here is nice and flooded inside, that there's no air pockets in it. And what you're going to do is put this box back. Make sure you be careful because you got the hose here. You didn't disconnected that. You could have did it, but I just turned it. So you want to do is just take it. Want to make sure you put that back in there. Take your time, don't rush it. What you do is push it in. Make sure it's all the way in. No air pockets out here. And this one you're going to put is this one. You can push it right in. Push it down. Once you have done that, you make sure that everything is in. You want to take your your flathead screwdriver, and screw this back in. Make sure it's nice and snug. Yeah, you have to take all this off. Next time I'll probably just take the battery if I can show you a better viewing on it. Okay, once that's nice and snug in there, you want to take the other one. Make sure that thing is nice and pushed down. Then you just want to screw it back in. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then you're just going to put the other two 10mm bows here. And I'm going to call my assistant. Come on, baby. We got to put this back. Get those two bows back. Yep, right in the hole. Notice you took off your gloves. Yeah, baby. Good job. Keep going, baby. Watch yourself there, I tell you. There you go. Now the other one. You just need a little more there. It's okay. Take it out. Pull it up. Okay, once you have put the two 10mm nuts in, the next thing you want to do is don't forget the negative cable battery. And what you're going to use is make sure you take all your wrenches out. Take it. Make sure you screw it back in, tie it up. Nice and tight. And that's it. And this is how you change the filter on a 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan. So this is Now Mechanic. Thank you for watching once again. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below. Or contact me at nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com.